In this video, I'll detail how to turn off Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, whether 41mm or 45mm, even if this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2 or SE, you can easily turn off your Apple Watch following techniques I'm about to share with you in this video. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There are two ways that you can use to power off or turn off your Apple Watch. You can use the settings page under General or press the side button down and then tap the power off button. Now to do this, all you just need to do is come here and press the side button, press and hold it for like 6 seconds. Then once you feel the haptics, then come here and click on the power button at the top right. Then just go ahead and slide to power off. You see that? Now that's going to turn off your Apple Watch. Then another way you can use to turn off your Apple Watch is press the two crown just once. Now locate the settings icon and click on it. While on the settings page, scroll down and then select General. Now once you selected General, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to the bottom of the page and then click on Shutdown. Once you tap Shutdown, you should feel the haptics and you'll be taken to this screen as well. Then go ahead and click on the power button at the top right, then slide to power off. So that is it. That's how you can easily turn off Apple Watch. Found this video fun and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.